In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a drawer by either opening it that way or opening it here, and you'll be able to scroll it up and down. So the first thing we will do is import material because we will need it for drawer. Then we are going to set up main. We'll go ahead and do the material app here. First we'll do run app. And then we're going to do a stateless widget by typing in STLESS. We'll name it drawer app. So we run that and just get the blank screen at the moment. We can go ahead and change this to a scaffold. And do a body we'll put a center in there. And just say hi at the moment. Oh, there's the hi. We'll change the background color to just a blue. That'll make it easier to see the drawer. We're going to go ahead and do an app bar here because we'll need it to open the drawer. And now we will add the drawer. We just type in drawer and drawer. If we hover over it, we see that we need a child. So we can put any widget in here. We can just start by just saying, this is the drawer. We're probably not going to be able to see this, but we'll see what happens. So if I click that, it opens up. There's your drawer already. It says this is the drawer. So as you see, we can open it using this, but you might want to use a button or something. So let's add a button. We'll have to remove this const now. Put it down here. So there's our button. And then we need to add something in this on press, but first let's give the scaffold a key. Actually, we need to go up here first. I have to do that to instantiate the key. And then here at the scaffold, we'll just type key underscore key. So here now we can just do underscore key dot current state. We will say we know current state will be set. And then just say open drawer. So now we should be able to open it here and also here. So that's how you can use it within your app. So now we need to fill this in. You can put almost anything you want in here. For example, you could just put a column here if you wanted to. And just section 1, section 2, and then you'll see that stuff in there. I personally prefer to use list tile because with list tile you can use an on tap. So we'll just give it a title here, section 3 on tap. We will just have it print section clicked. Probably have to remove this const up here now, which means that we have to put it all of these other places. Need to use a comma instead of a semicolon. So now you see that up there, and if we click it, it should show up right there, section clicked. The problem with using column though is if you had a bunch of these, so I'm going to add a whole bunch of them here real quick. You'll see you get this error over here. So if you do have a whole bunch of them, you know it's going to chop off. So what I would recommend doing instead is maybe a list view here. And then when you save, you'll see that it can be scrolled up and down. So hopefully you're able to do a drawer with that. And I apologize for my monotone voice. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I need to get back into the rhythm. Thanks for watching and take care.